ye National Youth Authority no Okwanchero for penny mo ye pious enam hajide na woni na pamfo aba pro akwakopie mo National Youth Authority no nyina hini Youth Resource Center no penny chesa afimpinu ene dunkru ne mo na wonom ete won safi wona so esan se eyiri nsuo to a enwunu ene niam ahodo bi a chese contractor no wanse da anya ne yie ntiama wo mo je se wo hye ofa to so mienu no ase no watumi abia no mo manfo akomu a enyi
Enche kra na multimedia adwumakuo no ede tebea nyinanyini Youth Resource Center ai wa adwumampo nuam ewom ebeto dwa samre no ede adeso akese pa na beto mpanyimfo anim se obehwe no ama Resource Center no ejina ne naso enrada otitinani a woda National Youth Authority ano pious enamazi ekokoshe nyinanyini Youth Resource Center no hwe se aban ebeba ho na watimi aye ne yie ama mmabu na wo importam ho wo kasa no wodi to dwa se.
The objective of the tour was twofold. First of all, to ascertain work with regards to phase 1 and to take over the site from the phase 1 contractors and to also hand over the site to the phase 2 contractor. Generally, it has been quite impressive, the output of the phase 1 contractor. However, some major concerns have been identified by myself and my colleagues. Under the circumstance, therefore, we have to encourage the phase 2 contractor who was billed to have handed over the site to us this morning. We have had to give him some more time and encourage him to deal with the defects that we have identified.
Osanso editu dwa se emfa ho ene ohawa Youth Resource Center ni wom aban ebehwe na wasase aye phase 2.
But there are some concerns of leakages. It rains heavily here, so we should be guided as to how we treat the stands, and there has to be some treatment of the concrete because we have noticed that in some portions of the stand water has actually been able to percolate down. However, we believe that there are essential parts of the phase 2 that can resume immediately.
Wakasano, osanso di tudwa se, yendi, nyine, enkrane na vrongo Youth Resource Centers nyina ya adia, abayembeshe no waye ni ye.